Well, let me give this a try here. This is Saturday morning. It's about 9 o'clock. I'm out here at the Rio Rancho launch site. This is June 8th. And I've removed the camera assembly from the vehicle, and I'm just standing about 50 feet away from the flight line here. That's our ground control station there. And boy, we have quite a turnout this morning. This is a little heavier than usual. It looks like there might be some university students out here this morning. But walking towards a... Say again? How many ground stations? I've got 2, primary and backup. I got somebody showing up. Paula, hi. KE5DDZ. But I might need you to aim the antenna. I might need you to aim my Yagi antenna. Okay. Well, here is my rocket. This is a Mad Cow Super DX3 payloader. And it's got a telemega in the nose cone, which transmits on 434.750 megahertz. It's a 40 milliwatt unit, and then in the payload section are 2 big red B440s that transmit on 433.45 with a 3-second time span in between transmissions, so they don't interfere with each other. And the rocket weighs about 8.8 pounds, estimated altitude's 5,200 feet, and I'm launching on a J510. And down towards the bottom there is the modification I made to the airframe to house the liquid fire Mobius action cam. This is an Aero 2 2-meter 440 Yagi, and I will be having a helper aim that antenna during the flight. And then underneath my sunshade there, I've got 2 PCs. I've got my old HP computer that I bought back in '07, and then a new ProBook 10, and in the center there is a Kenwood D710G APRS GPS radio. And then right here, secured to the bottom of my Christmas tree stand, is my homebrew 440 UHF quadrifilar hexacoidal antenna, which sees 360 degrees and from 10 degrees above each horizon over across the top of the sky. So it does not have to be aimed. That's the advantage. The disadvantage is it also collects noise from the entire hemisphere of the sky. Anyway, I just don't know how this will turn out. But anyway, I'm waiting for Paula to show up, KE5DDZ. And those are my backup ham station batteries there on the ground. I've got the Harley cables hooked up to it and a voltmeter on the other side. That powers the D710. Both the PCs are running off their own internal batteries. So next time this is on, it should be liftoff. Okay, camera's on.
All right, let's do it. Good? Check. Did you check continuity? All right, Craig Keney says he's ready. He's running a telemega and a big rod B. He's got a J510 in it. Projected altitude 5,200 feet. And that's the Alright, this is the black, white, and red, bottom up. Guys at 300, at least turn around, let me know that you're paying attention. Alright. Nice target. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.